Greetings, mathematicians! In this short video, you'll learn about Brainingcamp Algebra Tiles. Once logged in, click on the Algebra Tiles manipulative. In the toolkit on the left, you'll see a collection of algebra tiles. Algebra tiles are square and rectangular tiles used to represent integers, variables x and x squared, as well as their additive inverse. Once algebra tiles have been placed on the workspace, selecting them reveals their unique features: rotate, invert, and zero pairs. To change an algebra tile to its additive inverse, select and click Invert. A zero pair occurs when a number or variable is combined with its additive inverse. To create zero pairs, drag a tile and its additive inverse on top of each other, or select opposite like pairs and click the Zero Pairs button. Next, let's check out the Solving workspace. The Solving workspace is used for representing and solving equations and inequalities. Clicking on the outline of the solving mat reveals a menu of options, including changing the symbol from an equal sign to an inequality. Selecting and copying the solving mat with algebra tiles inside allows you to reveal the algebraic process for solving equations and inequalities. The mat can be partitioned into as many sections as needed, in this case 3, representing dividing by the coefficient of 3 in order to determine the solution for x. The Factor workspace uses an area model to represent multiplying and factoring algebraic expressions. The parts include factor track and product area. Factors can be added to the factor track at a 90-degree angle. The product can then be built according to the dimensions of the factors. Clicking on the outline of the factor mat reveals options including labels for the factors and the product. Don't forget to check out the Toolkit and Settings menus for tools and settings that can be used with the algebra tiles in fun and interesting ways. Now you are ready to use Brainingcamp Algebra Tiles. If you want more practice with the general interface, we encourage you to watch the Getting Started with Brainingcamp tutorial video. Remember, each manipulative has its own tutorial video with details specific to each. Let us know if you have any questions.